Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up and marketing the Debt Collectors International Affiliate Program using a trade show booth. Let's dive in. First, you need to select the right trade show. Research trade shows in the accounting, finance, or business industries where your target audience, accountants, bookkeepers, and financial professionals, will be present. Set clear objectives for the trade show. Whether your goal is to recruit new members, raise awareness about our program, or generate leads, having defined goals will guide your efforts. Design your booth layout and materials to be attractive and engaging. Incorporate branded materials, banners, signage, and promotional items that highlight the benefits of our program. Secure a prime location on the trade show floor. Choose a high-traffic area to maximize visibility and foot traffic to your booth. Arrive early to set up your booth. Ensure all displays, materials, and technology are in place and functioning properly to create a smooth experience for visitors. Create an inviting atmosphere. Arrange furniture, displays, and lighting to make your booth welcoming and engaging for visitors. Introduce your mission statement with this scene. You can also use it to present a quote or to describe your product. Keep it short and limit it to 2 or 3 sentences at most and replace the video background with one you like. Train your crew to be knowledgeable about our program. They should be prepared to answer questions and engage with attendees effectively. Initiate conversations with attendees as they pass by your booth. Introduce them to our program and explain how it can benefit them. Offer live demonstrations or presentations to illustrate how our program works and its potential for earning commissions. Show attendees the value they can gain from joining. Introduce your mission statement with this scene. You can also use it to present a quote or to describe your product. Keep it short and limit it to 2 or 3 sentences at most and replace the video background with one you like. Introduce your mission statement with this scene. You can also use it to present a quote or to describe your product. Keep it short and limit it to 2 or 3 sentences at most and replace the video background with one you like. Network with industry professionals at the trade show. Connect with potential affiliates and those who can refer others to our program. Collaborate with other exhibitors or sponsors. Cross-promote each other's products or services to expand your reach and create mutually beneficial relationships. Make sure that you send personalized thank you emails to everyone who visited your booth. Provide them with additional resources and invite them to join our program. Continue nurturing leads through email newsletters, follow-up calls, or social media. Maintain relationships and encourage them to take action. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and market our program using a trade show booth. Attract potential members, generate leads, and raise awareness about the program within the accounting and finance industry. Thank you for watching.